What we have here is a Kenroy Max Industrial, otherwise known as a Contech. Nice Kenroy label. The motor is cast iron, which is of course quite nice. This fan dates to 1988. Blades are steel. Hard to tell. But the pitch is quite steep. Yeah. Quite a steep pitch. So. The blades have a shape very similar to that of a current Envirofan Goldline, but the pitch is significantly steeper. So, now we're going to see what it does, starting on low. For the purpose of testing, I'm using a Hunter 3-speed wall control rated at 2 amps with cap values of 5 and 10 microfarads. So, on low it is a nice aesthetic low. Just enough to kind of get air moving, but not enough to blow you away. Okay. Let's now go to medium. Yeah, the fan does use a ball socket canopy. That is the original canopy. These are usually seen with bell canopies, which I consider odd for industrials. Starting to move air now. Now we're going to high. Like I said, the blades are steel, so it takes a little while to get up to speed. But it hauls that. Like I said, the blades are about the same shape as that of a current Goldline, but it's steeper pitch, and it moves at about the same speed, so I can safely say that this cast iron Contech is more powerful than a current gold line. But of course, Contechs are not as common, especially in the cast iron flavor. Most of the time when these are found, they are stamped steel. Now we let it coast. Turning it off. And because the blades are steel, it also means a long coast down time. As you can kind of tell, the bearings on it are also pretty much perfect. I got this thing and some other fan off of Craigslist for $0. When I first saw the listing, I was like, yeah. I was like, very meh. Then I noticed that it was cast. And I was kind of like, yeah, I better pick this up. So I did. And turns out it was a good decision. So. It's one of the more powerful 56-inch industrials I have, which is always nice. For those curious, the motor screw pattern is the same as that on 56-inch Envirofan gold lines and 56-inch and 48-inch Union industrials. Also 36-inch and 48-inch CEC industrials and spinners. So for those wanting to experiment, well, there you go. Before finding this thing, I had never seen these labeled Kenroy. And once again, it seems like every time I find something that others have, it's always a weird variant. Always. And there you have it. A 56-inch Kenroy Max, or Contech, Industrial.